Blackout Bingo push notifications can stop appearing when notification permission is disabled, the app is restricted from running in the background, or your phone's notification settings are blocking alerts. By the end, you'll know which settings to check on Android and iPhone, plus what to do if Blackout Bingo is allowed to send notifications, but alerts still don't arrive. Start with Notification Permission. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Blackout Bingo, then open Notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled and that the notification categories you need aren't turned off. On iPhone, open Settings, select Notifications, then Blackout Bingo. Turn on Allow Notifications and check the alert options available on your device. If notifications are disabled here, the app cannot display normal push alerts. Next, check whether your phone is restricting Blackout Bingo in the background. Android phones can use battery optimization settings that limit background activity. Open Settings, find Blackout Bingo under Apps or Battery Settings and review whether background activity is being restricted. If your phone has a battery saver, low power mode, or similar feature enabled, temporarily turn it off and test Blackout Bingo again. These modes can restrict background activity for apps. Also check your phone's Do Not Disturb or Focus settings. These modes can silence notifications even when the app itself has permission to send them. On iPhone, check Focus under Settings. On Android, check Do Not Disturb in the notification or sound settings. Then check Blackout Bingo itself. Open the app and look through its notification or account settings for options that control promotional alerts, reminders, or other messages. If a particular notification type is disabled inside the app, enabling system notifications alone may not restore it. After changing the settings, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. Then test whether a new notification arrives. Avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app before checking these settings because reinstalling does not fix a phone-level notification block. If notifications still don't appear, update Blackout Bingo through Google Play Store or the App Store. Also install any available system update for your phone. If every notification setting is enabled and other apps are sending alerts normally, the problem may be specific to Blackout Bingo's notification service or your account. Contact Blackout Bingo support and explain that push notifications are enabled but aren't arriving. So the main checks are notification permission, background activity, battery saver or low power mode, do not disturb or focus, and the notification settings inside Blackout Bingo. Your practical next step is to open your phone's notification settings for Blackout Bingo and confirm that alerts are allowed. Then disable any battery or focus restriction temporarily and test the app again. If this fixed your notifications, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.